Hello, it's Josh here, and today I'm showing you how this little JBRC scale speaker works. So the music plays off of this micro SD card that's sold separately and when you put the card in, it has to be upside down so the contact part's sticking up, and then you got your on button right there. It'll automatically start playing. If you want to turn the volume down, just hold this rewind button, and then you have your, to change the song, it's just one click, but you hold it down to change the volume, and then you have your play and pause in the middle. You can also hook up an auxiliary cord to your phone, and it charges off a USB cable that comes with it, and it's got that RGB LED flashing light in it, and you can just mount it in your scaler wherever you want. Doesn't take up a whole bunch of room, and there's a long run time, and have fun with it.